Hello kids, hello students. Our next chapter, that is 8 jewels of solar system. Students, this topic you have already learned in SS, right? Solar system. The solar system is the sun and all the objects that orbit around it. The sun is orbited by planets, asteroids, comets, and other things. The solar system is about 4.6 billion years old. It formed by gravity in a large molecular cloud. Let's see the 8 jewels of the solar system. The first one is Mercury. The first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and the closest to the sun. Its orbits around the sun takes 87.97 Earth days, the shortest of all the sun's planet. Mercury is a rocky planet with a huge iron core which makes up a large part of its interior. The core takes up nearly 3/4 of the planet's diameter. Mercury's iron core is about the size of the moon. Iron makes up about 70% of Mercury's total weight, making Mercury the most iron rich planet in the solar system. Next is Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9.5 times that of Earth. It only has 1/8 average density of Earth. However, with its larger volume, Saturn is over 95 times more massive. The third planet is Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. As the brightest natural object in Earth's ninth sky after the moon, Venus can cast shadows and can be on rare occasions visible to the naked eye in broad daylight. Next one is Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and the farthest known solar planet from the Sun. In the solar system, it is the fourth largest planet by diameter, the third most massive planet, and the densest giant planet. It is 17 times the mass of Earth, slightly more massive than its near twin Uranus. The next planet is Earth. The third planet from the Sun is Earth. Earth is the only place in the known universe confirmed to host life. With a radius of 3,959 miles, Earth is the fifth largest planet in our solar system and it's the only one for sure to have liquid water on its surface. Earth is also unique in terms of monikers. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined, but slightly less than 1,000th mass of the Sun. Next is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Its name is a reference to the Greek god of the sky, Uranus, who, according to Greek mythology, was the great grandfather of Ares, grandfather of Zeus, and father of Cronus. It has the third largest planetary radius and the fourth largest planetary mass in the solar system. And the last one is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun in the solar system and the second smallest planet. Mars is a cold terrestrial planet with the polar ice caps of frozen water and carbon dioxide. It has the largest volcano in the solar system, which is known as Olympus Mons, and some very large impact craters. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.